Hi everyone, my name is Cassidy and I'm the oldest of the Boyer grandkids. I just finished 10th grade and I've been homeschooled my entire school years. I have learned over that period of time that I'm not a great learner when it comes to reading from textbooks. I don't get much out of it, and I know that a lot of kids are like that as well. However, I have discovered that I learn much better when I'm listening to stories or when I'm listening about stories of real people and things that have happened to them. And without knowing it, I learn character qualities and I learn history facts without realizing it, because to me, in the moment, it just feels like I'm listening to an adventure story or something from the Revolutionary War, some story about a heroine that has saved a lot of lives in the Revolutionary War or something like that. And that just appeals to me so much more. So if your kid is like that and just doesn't really benefit from textbooks or anything like that, try Uncle Rick Audios. Uncle Rick is actually my granddad, and he records stories about all different kinds of people. They tell stories about heroes and brave men and women who helped this nation become what it is today. He also reads from his favorite Bible chapters and books. He has Psalms, he has Proverbs, he has James, all recorded, and so much more. I would listen to Uncle Rick reads the Psalms every night as I went to bed, and without even realizing it, I memorized so many Bible verses because I listened to it every single night, and it helped me go to sleep. Your children will love Uncle Rick Audios. It's clean, it's exciting, it's adventurous, and the Bible books are super easy to listen to because he explains difficult words or difficult concepts that may be in the books. So if you'd like to check it out, go to these links down here, and if we also have an Instagram page and a Facebook page, and you can follow us there and get inside tips and pictures from the cousins and all the Boyer family. So if you would like to connect with us in any of those ways, make sure to let us know. Thank you so much for being with me here today. Have a nice day.